Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add checkbox to our table on Google Sheets mobile application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have prepared my table on my Google Sheets application. And for instance, I'm going to add checkbox to this column. First thing first, guys, we can select the column like this. And then we can click on these three dots on the top right and select the data validation. In this data validation, we have to choose the checkbox on the criteria. Click on it, and then you have to choose checkbox since we want to add checkbox to our table. And then we just need to click on save. And as you can see, guys, that the checkbox has been added to my table, and that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can add checkbox on Google Sheets mobile application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.